Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe, and if you find this video interesting, please like and give us your thoughts in the comment section so we both can learn from it. Without wasting my time, let's get started. These are the measurements we'll be using for this cutting tutorial today. Chest 43, waist 41, and hem 43. Our back measurement tool or shoulder to shoulder measurement tool is 19 inches. Before you start cutting something like this or any other thing you want to cut, make sure you are working at the wrong side of the fabric. Before you start working on this, fold your fabric by your chest measurement into 4 plus your sewing allowance, which could be 2 inches or 3 inches. Then you cut out the front first. I'm just trying to cut a rectangular shape here so we can put our measurement into it. So the chest by 4 plus some few allowance that could be 2 or 3 inches, as you see me doing in the video. So from our starting line, that is at the top line, you go down by 2 inches or 2.5 inches. That is our shoulder slope. Then we cut it out with our 2 inches allowance that we add or 3 inches allowance that we added, plus our length. The length of this kaftan top is 32 plus folding allowance 2 inches. So we cut it out with that measurement. Make sure it lie down flat. Take your iron to pass through every folded part so that it lies down flat for you to be able to work on it. Let's carry it out. After cutting it out, let's fold it the other pieces again to get our back pattern or our back piece. So on this other side, I'll just put my front pattern there, the one I've cut out. Make sure it's the same. So I'll cut it the same measurement. But the difference between the front and the back fabric is one will be longer than each other. So I just pull the front down like by 3.5 inches. Now cut everything out as you see me do in the video. I'm sorry that part is not seen. I didn't realize it. Iron everything out. So we'll be folding the back piece on the front piece like how you see me doing in the video. You see that? Then you iron it for it to lie down flat. So after ironing it, take it out and use the front piece to work on it. So from here we are taking our back measurement, that is 19 inches by 2. Then you mark it there plus half inches sewing allowance. And our around arm, the armhole is going to be 9 inches. And the same 9 inches horizontally and vertically as you see me doing in this video. That measurement plus half inches. So we take it down here, the same thing. Then we connect the 2 points together. Let's find the midpoint of those 2 points as you see me doing. As you can see that, come go inside by half of an inch and curve your armhole. Chest measurement, then we put it there, plus 1.5 sewing allowance. We input the same measurement at the hem side. Coming to the waist side, we divide the waist measurement, which is 41 by 4 inches plus 1.5 inches sewing allowance. Then we connect the points together. This was just what I was doing here, is just our opening. There will be a opening at the side, and that is it. So let's cut everything out and you can see how it is. And this is what we have here. Let's go to the next side. 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Then we curve it together. Join the points with a curve and cut it out. Let's go work with the back. Put the back like as you see me doing, then we put the front on top, just as I am doing on the video. Watch carefully here what I will be using or what I will be doing here. Make sure everything is aligned properly. And you mark it the same way. Then you cut it out. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment in the comment section. And we are done with our top. I'm measuring the neck to know the neck size I'm getting after sewing. Just as putting my measurement there to see if everything is right. Measure my armhole so I can work with the sleeve. So let's go work with the sleeve too. Fold it out like this. Make sure you are working on the wrong side. Fold it like this. Cutting both the two sleeves together. Make sure you iron it and it lie down flat for you. You can't start anything without getting a starting line, and that is what we are doing. Our sleeve length is 23.5. Our wrist measurement 9.5, and around arm is 16 inches. So the sleeve length, because of the cuff, you minus 2.5 inches from it, and that 2.5 is our cuff measurement, plus 1 inches, which will be half inches at the cuff side and half inches on the shoulder, just as you see me labeled on the pattern on the fabric. From this side I go downwards 3.5 inches, and I'll curve it that is my armhole side. My wrist measurement, which is 9.5 inches by 2, which will give us 4 1/4 plus 1.5 inches. That will do for the dart and also for our sewing allowance. Just measuring to confirm my armhole measurement if it corresponds with what I've done on the pattern, the bodies as well. So let's cut this out. And we are done for today's video. Please, if you have found this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Ask all your questions, and I will be right there to answer to all questions. Let's see you in another video and another amazing tutorial like this. Bye.